So it's Friday, the 17th of March 2023, and I thought I'd give you a guided tour around the studio because this weekend I'm running some workshops. So I'll start off with showing you what kind of tiles I use. I'm using kitchen and bathroom tiles specifically. Very bright colours, a lot of variety if you can find it. I know some folks in different parts of the world, like Australia, have a bit of a struggle, but I'm very fortunate that I've got an end of line warehouse called Tile Plus in Oldbury, and sometimes they'll have some bargains. Like, for example, this one is was it 20 centimetres square orange tile, and I got this for 99p for 44 tiles. I mean, how good is that? So, not everybody likes orange, but I love it. So, and other things like this you can buy online. Johnson's tile, I think it is. Is it Johnson? Yeah. They're more pricier. I think a box was about 20 odd pounds, £23. But, it lasts forever, really. And used in my commissions as well as projects like these workshops. I've got some crockery that's already been cut, maybe donated, maybe been used at other workshops that could be used for workshops in the future. I've got whole plates as well, which I like to encourage people to take if they fancy taking some for their own projects at home. I've got some blue and white crocks, which I'm going to give to my participants tomorrow and Sunday. I've got mirror as well. Now, mirror can be used in the mosaic, but it can also work as a little bit of height for your thinner tiles. Say, for example, if you wanted to use, cut up these little roses, you could have that mirror as a backer. So you've got the equal height of a tile top tip there. Glass beads, different coloured glass beads. And the boards that I'm going to be getting folks to use, approximately 24 centimetres square, that one. That's 20 by 24. So I know it's all plywood, but do you know what? You're learning a new skill, and I think it's always good to have something that is quite straightforward to use. They're not for external use, but I suppose you could put them in the garden during the warmer months, but we'll be grouting the edges as well. The future plan is to use more marmox for workshops, but I've got tons of this still in my pantry. And then I've got little pizza boxes here so that folks can take away their mosaic once it's done, and D-rings as well, so they can drill it at the back of their mosaic. So coming to their little workstation. So I've got a mosaic mat that people can use for their workstation. Little handout, because we all like a handout. My business card, of course. And a little box of tools, including side biters, score snappers, safety gloves, obvious goggles as well, and a little bit of a half tile for the first part of learning how to cut. Yeah, so the other thing I've got drawing paper of various sizes. I've got cheating carbon paper. How good is that? That saves a lot of time. And then I've got lots of photocopies of designs and patterns. So folks might just want a little template to give them a starting point, or they might want something more detailed perhaps as a starting point. These are all guidelines, of course, so the work doesn't isn't an identical I don't encourage identical copying of a design. So yeah, so there's all sorts, and of course I've got my printer anyway, so folks can then use the internet to just print off something. I've got wood adhesive, little tools to hold your tiles in place. Another bit of top tippery. I've got these thicker tiles that I tend to use as a backer as well, just like the mirror. That always works. Rubbers and pencil sharpeners. What else we got? And my little portfolio, which I'll be showing folks. Little opening of the portfolio might help you. So there's our Carnica there on our project that we did in Delhi. I've got my chili project that I helped out on Isadora Paz Lopez work in 2014. So yeah, so it's, gives you an idea of what I do in my work. There you are, that's the right way around. Yeah, and teas and coffees, aprons for the use of, and that's what the studio space looks like, really. The room is about 15 by 15 feet, and get the music on, and then we just enjoy the day. So hope you enjoyed that, and hopefully see you at one of my workshops. I've got 4 people tomorrow and 3 people on Sunday. There's even a lady from Sweden coming over, which is lovely. So yeah, see you soon then. Bye.